Hello everybody, this is Perry at Axe Equipment. Today is Monday, December 14th, 2020. We are in the testing department here at Axe Equipment looking at the Terminator model, SW2432 HT series. The HT series designates that this hot tank we're looking at here in the front, right here, that's big enough for a block. And you can either get it with that will hold a block, or you can get it that will just hold heads. But this one here is does hold a block. It is you got a lay down door like all Axe machines. It's a 24-inch diameter turntable, 32 inches vertically. Like all Axe machines, you'll see it's all gear driven here in the back. Nice little roll-out turntable, makes it real easy to load and unload. No gasket, no leak, lay down sealless door here. We just roll this back in. This is a one-handed door. Lift her up. And we're going to turn this pump on and we'll take a look at this. Like I said, no leak, no gasket, lay down door here. And check out the flow in this hot tank. You've got a filter basket in the front. You can circle block. That fluid will just run through there. This is going to run at about 80 gallons a minute. This machine here holds 90 gallons of water. You've got your lid here. Little safety latch to keep your lid up. We'll lift that lid down. Okay, here on the face of your panel, you've got a switch for your heat source. You can use it in the automatic mode, off or on. On is on, off is off. Auto is you can set your 7-day timer here to make it come on and off automatically 7 days a week. You also have your digital temperature controller here. You can easily set your thermostat. You've got a 30-minute wash cycle here. Inside the main panel, you'll see it's everything's very nice, compact. You've got short circuit protection here for your pump and thermal protection for your pump. You've got short circuit protection here for your heater, short circuit protection here for your drive motor. This is a level controller. In the event your water level gets too low, which your water level controller is here, it will shut the circuit off to this heater. Now those heaters are all stainless steel. They'll last, I've seen them last 20 to 25 years. Anyway, the level switch, in the event the water level gets too low, it'll cut the circuit off to that heater, therefore saving you lots of money because you're not going to burn out a heater for getting exposed to air. So again, standard on all Axe machines. Your door safety switch, when the pump motor's on, if somebody opens the door, the pump will automatically shut off. You've got a high efficiency ball door electric motor. This is 5 horsepower on all these Terminator series washers. Also inside this panel, this is a automatic timer for the optional oil skimmer that you can plug in back here. And the oil skimmer will sit right inside this hole here. You've got an automatic air inducer. And that is, in the event you're getting a lot of steam out the door, you can hook air up to this and inject air up into the steam vent over here. There's a valve on top of these. If you don't want any air on it, you can just shut the valve off. But if you want air on it, you just simply gauge it and give it some air. You've got your drive motor here. It drives that turntable. A little lifting hook to get it off the skid with. If you notice, there's nothing in the back here. So it can sit flat against the wall. Nothing on this side here. This one is set up for an optional boom. It's got the threaded holes. Nice little compact machine. Again, 24 by 32 inches. We'll take a look back here. Check out the drive system back here. There's your drive gear. It's got a little roll pin on the top. And you'll see a little spring underneath there. And there's a relief cut in the top of that roll pin. In the event something gets caught, it will just act as a clutch and just sit there and rotate. and not tear up your drive motor. You can see the chain. It just meshes right back into that. Look at the manifold system, all the way 360 degrees, all the way left, top, this side, and underneath also. And you'll notice Axe doesn't use 90 elbows, they use radius elbows. Keep that water flow flowing real nice. One-handed door, very easy to lift. Again, model SW2432HT. You can get it in the HT series like we're looking at, or which will hold a block, or you can get it in the OS series, which is a little shorter and just simply holds cylinder heads. The machine's all powder coated, ready to go. So for the best in cleaning, call Axe. It's AXE Equipment, 800-251-0018, or visit us on the web at axeequipment.com.